I was born with the gifts of sin. That is why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and
Okay
the
guys,
solution.
this is your friend the seer again. I'm here to teach you more on Cowries divination. Okay, I believe if you should check most of the YouTube channel very well, you notice that when it comes to Cowries divination, I'm very much active in teaching that more than any other channel. So I'm not trying to make matter, I'm trying to make you understand that anything I'm teaching you should know that it's 100%. I saw some teaching online. Okay, I saw someone teaching online. When was that? If you throw that, the person was using 4 cowries, right? Was using 4 cowries like this. That's, remember, if I use it for, we use one at the back as no. The person said if you throw like this, if you throw and you have 3 like this, it means yes. But if you throw like this, it means yes, but you have to throw again. But by the time you throw again, you have something like this, it means yes, which means majority wins the vote, which is not true. Now, when you throw something like this yes is other probability. Yes, it is possible, but much work needed to be done before it can happen. But when it turns this to like this, it means yes, 100 yes. And when it turns like this, it means 100% yes. So the pattern differ. Please have that in back of your mind. And today I want to teach you one and most easiest way to make our to speak, to go straight to the point, so that they will not go run about discussing issue you are not asking them. Okay, you are going to need 7 calories. You are going to need any type of ring. It must not be a local one. You need any type of ring, okay? And it must not be a local ring. You can use any type of ring. Once you get your 7 calories, the ones that the backs are be open, you can also use the one that the backs are not open, which is also perfect. So once you have gotten them, those ones like this, okay? Once you have gotten them, then you have also gotten your ring like this. Remember, the first thing first is to, before you make use of calories, you should talk to them. This question I'm going to ask you, I want you to go straight to the point. Don't lie to me. Don't speak. Don't go about telling me what I did not ask. I want you to go straight to the point and tell me everything that I've asked you. Okay? Okay. Then after using the TikTok talk, then talk to them how you wanted to speak to me. If you like, I also call your ancestors. How you to speak to me. Let me know my guardian angels. Let me know. Let me understand what I'm going to do. Let me understand what these carries I'm going to say. I seek for your divine knowledge so that I'm making this. So I'll be able to understand what people are trying to write for me to see read. Then after the you throw. Now when you throw something like this, okay. Now you have these two together. When you have two something like this, maybe you probably face it like this. This is no. It's not going to happen, and it's not going to happen, but it's not now. It might happen, but it's not now. But by the time you have something like this, the two face like this, which this is 100%. Okay, this is no. But by the time you throw, you have something like this. Okay, you can see all of them turn back and this one turn facing them. This is yes. That is when you are using the ones that their backs are open. So this is yes. We have something like this. You have 4 together like this. Okay, then by the time you throw something like this, maybe you throw like this. Now I have something like this. Now there's no doubt in this one that this is 100% no. Then by the time you have something, maybe you throw, you have 3 like this. Okay, then you have 4 like this. Okay, and it happens that this ring is with the one that the back is open. Okay, then this is no. Or maybe if the ring is with this ones, this is yes, it can be possible, but much work need to be done, or there's something you need to do for this to be possible. So when you throw again and you have something like this, okay, then you have something like this now. So this is yes. When you have 4 and the 3 turn, this is yes. Then by the time you throw, you are lucky enough to have all this one turn. This is also yes. You have this like this. This is also yes. You have something like this. This is 100% yes. When you are using 4 calories, it's different from when you are using 7 calories. It's different from when you are using 4. Now, another thing I want you guys, once you are lucky, you ask a question, you see something like this with alafia, you don't need to ask anything again. Go ahead, even if it is bet, even if it is a game you are playing, and you draw a happens like this, then you see everything turn back like this. Just go ahead and put your money in that game, you definitely win. Now, when you have something like this, now when I have something like this, you see two things like this. Okay, now this one is talking about good things coming. And this one now, depending on the question you ask, can mean two different things. You can see, can talk. This can mean a child. This can mean two ladies. This can mean a mother and a daughter. And it can also mean a woman taking another woman to another place. It can also mean a woman is the one making this woman to do what she is doing. So one thing can mean several things. Depending on the question you ask will determine how you are going to interpret this pattern. Now, if you understand them, but when by the time, maybe for example, now you ask, is my woman cheating on me? For example, maybe you ask if my woman is cheating on me. You ask your woman is cheating on you. Then you throw like this. Then you have something like this. Now you have something like this. Okay, this means
So when you took out, you see something like this. You see three in a round place with one that turns front. That's three turns back like this. Three turns back, one turn front like this. This means no. Yes, it means no. When you see them group themselves like this one is different from what this other one has. You can see this one are group themselves away. You see three turns back and one turns front together. So this is 100% no. This is no. Okay, this is no. That means the thing is not going to work. And the other one was now that I tried to say another thing. But if it is 4 like this, you see 4, then you see 1 turns front like this. Even whether you face them or back them, anyone, but you see them 4 to you see 3 together is no. But if you see 4 together like this with 1 that turns front, it's 100% yes. You understand? That is how this one works like this. It's 100% yes. But if it is 3 like this, either facing it or turning back like this is no. Yes, take note, it is no. Okay, but if it is 4 together, it is yes. As if from what these other ones are saying. Well, I will talk about that later. So 4 with 1 turns front is yes. Okay, now you see 4 with 1 turns front is yes. Where they face also matters. How they are facing also, you also matter. That's what you have to understand. Okay, how they are facing too also matters. So this one is different from what those other ones are saying. Now let me use myself as an example. Let me ask them, will I get rich this year? I want to know if I will get rich this year. I want to know through it. Now you can see them now. All of them, all those one toss back, and only one toss front. So this is yes. I said it in my live video that if you throw several cowries, you see all of them toss back and one toss front. This is 100% yes. This is yes that I'm going to get rich this year. I'll get more money. And you can see now they're telling me something about a junction. That there's something I need to go and do in a junction. That's why you can see the pattern they draw on the ground now is talking about a junction. And you can see this 3 round with the ring is talking about the sacrifice that needs to be done in that junction. This is a junction they're talking about. You can see the pattern. That's why cowries, they can draw on the ground what they are saying. Despite the pattern they face, they can also draw on the ground what they are facing. So this is talking about something I need to go and do in a junction, but I'm going to get rich this year. You can see all of the toss back and only one toss front. This is 100% yes. In my last video, I make video that I don't know what I should have just confirmed now. I don't want to use myself as an example. This is my private stuff, so I don't want to bring it online. Okay. Let me just think of what I can use for an example now. So if you guys want me to make more video like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will teach you everything you need to know about cowries. Like, share, and subscribe. The more like I get from any video, that will determine the type of video I am going to make.